Coming up, mid-1960s Magnavox AM/FM radio.
Magnavox, solid state, AM, FM, AFC. There's the tuning. Looks like it's got two knobs, but it ain't. It's just the one. The one here has got two knobs. It's tone and an off volume. I like the front cover, the grill and everything. It's plastic. Looks like wood, but it's plastic. It's in good shape. This one has an FM antenna on it that's good. Looks like it has all the screws on the back cover. I got a tie on this. Cord looks in decent shape. Got to be original, I think, because of that. FM antenna. Line cord antenna. Okay. And the bottom. Signed, certified as complying with federal communications. Okay, it's model 1FM069, finish, NWAL, whatever that means. Serial number is not important. Finish and awarding parts. Magnavox Company, Fort Wayne, Indiana. Yeah, okay. Got a lot of screws under the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4 there. And some there. The switch on that, yeah, it's stiff. In fact, it's really hard and it ain't going all the way over. So that's got to be cleaned. So we'll start by taking the back cover off. And I don't have a schematic for this, and I won't be able to get one, I don't think. So, being solid state, I don't really think it's that important. So, let me put it on pause. I'll get these 6 screws out of there, and we'll see what we're up against. Got one more screw to take out, but I just wanted to see it on film, so how this is laying. Might have to take the antenna off of the back. Yeah, you're going to have to. That's a no-brainer there. Okay, I'm going to have to take this off because it's back's going to come off. This is going to come off. I opened up one of these one time. It's like, I don't know what it is. This is like cardboard or something. Both sides. Okay, let's see if I can get this out of there. I'm surprised it doesn't have the interlock on it. There it is. Antenna. Easy peasy. You know what? I was thinking it would have had oh, it's 2 speakers in there. Right, let it go. Let me see if I can give it a little help or something. Why is that not coming out? Finally. Nice tight. Okay. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gain dual capacitor. Let's see how that works. Nice and smooth. Yeah. So, you know, I thought perhaps maybe it would have a step down. There it is. There's the interlock, but it is not interlocked. I thought it would have a step down. It's got a big transistor there. Step down transformer to 12 volts or something. The electrolytic is, can't read it from here. It's a 2-section. Then there's another electrolytic here. A couple more in the back. Big old transistor there. Well, naturally, there'll be more transistors, but what I can see. AM antenna. 2 big speakers. That must have some nice sound. Pretty dusty, but that's to be expected. Alright, these got to come out. These 3 screws here. And what else? 1, 2, and 3. And then this power cord. Okay. That'll take that out. Take the knobs out. Oh, then there's screws back there. On the plate on. They're going to come out with it. I hope so. Even the front dial comes off. If you wanted to, you could take the whole thing off, I guess. Really? Maybe that'd be the best way to go with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What would that do? Yeah, maybe that's the best way to go. Take this whole thing out. Let me in there. Give it a shot, right? Take the whole thing out. I'm going to try that. I'll be back. I'll see if I can get it out of here. Maybe I don't have to do any desoldering. Okay. This is making it easier. No, nothing that... desolder. No knobs to pull off. It's up on it. I think I got it. Yeah, I think. And I got to turn it around. Like so. Oh, there we go. Makes it easy. Perhaps. A piece of tape. Yeah. Empty shell there. Okay, let's take a look. Everything. I can unplug this. Get it out of my way right now. Now there's another electrolytic there. So, what we got here? A 50 and a 70 microfarads. There's a 400. Wow, 400 microfarad at 25 volts. A couple small ones there. I'll give some. That dries up. Okay. Here we go. Nothing. There they are. Let's bring the antenna down. See if it would help. I don't think so. Maybe, maybe not.
Nobody could have. What are you talking about? That phone's disconnected, sir.
Yeah, it's got a bad hum.
The man came here this afternoon and took that metal box off the wall and rolled all the wires on it, put everything on the desk there. Said to be back tomorrow.
I'm going to try FM. Well, I don't have an antenna. That's full blast. That should be a lot louder. See if both speakers are working. That one is. That one is. Okay, I'll turn it off. There's no use going on with this. Turn back on it. Definitely some capacitor filters. We'll check it real fast. I'm not going to be able to set it on its side, I don't think. On the front, perhaps. Let me discharge it. Let me get this unplugged. I don't need this in there no more. Just want to discharge it. I don't want to mess up my meters. Even though one of them. Alright, there's positive. Alright, that's negative. Here's positive right here. That'll be easy. And here's the other one over here. I like it. It's written down on the bottom. Thank you, Magnavox. I don't know what year this is either. I don't have no clue. Solid state. 60s, early 60s. Okay, that should be discharged. Let me discharge this one for kids and giggles as well. I'll change that one. I don't know. I don't have a 400 microfarad. Not that big. This wizard will not tell me the value, but it will tell me has it been good or has it been bad. Let me think. Okay, here we go. There's one of them right here. Oh, that's bad. That's just barely moving. Now let's try this one. Same thing. This one's shot. Let's try this one. Hear it? That's reading in the good. That 400 is good. This one is shot. Nothing. It's in the bad. It's, you know, this thing only goes up to 40 ohms. And wow, get it again. It should negative. I can see it move just a hair. I mean, it's, and this thing is, I think, 40 ohms max. Most of them are like that. Let me think. That one and this one. Yeah, it's shot. Now I'll try the actual, see if I can read the value on right there. I'm going to say in circuit, leaky, open circuit, low capacitance. It's open circuit. Okay. Well, that baby's sweet. Then there's the other one. Analyzing. Open circuit, low capacitance. Thank you. Okay, I got it out of there. Whenever you use the desoldering gun, you always got to remember when you're working on solid state boards, you turn it down pretty much as low as it goes. Or otherwise you'll pull up the trace. So it's on there, it came really out nice. And then it shows me B, A, and C. I couldn't see that because of the other capacitor hiding it. And the other one hid back there somewhere. So that makes sense now. B, C, and A. Okay. So I need to come up with a 50 and 125 and a 70 microfarad and 200. Okay, so I got it. Filters changed. 50, I found a 250, but and the 70 I only had was a 68, and I put a 68 at 450, I think it was. And this one checked out good, and these here, 5 microfarads, they're going to read high in the ESR, and that other one, I forgot what it was. Now that I got it in there, I can't see it, right? I was able to see it. Well, I didn't check that other one, I don't think. Oh well, we're going to try it out. I'm not hearing that hum right off the bat. I heard it right. No hummy hum.
If Lucy's been carried out to sea, there's nothing we can do about it. But if she's been carried along with the current and into the Blue Grotto...
Grotto?
One moment, sir. You're not proposing to run this big...
Just looking up the line cord antenna. Looks like radio. I don't know if I can get that in there. I think it's in there.
I was just wondering the same thing. He's shut up in the dark at 3 o'clock in the morning with a criminal lunatic. Now, Lucy, don't worry.
I love tone on a radio.
Dr. Davis.
I've got to tell you. I know how that girl.
Okay, guys, we're going to try FM now. Don't on FM. What am I on? 101. Volume. 101. I think it's going to work.
Did you recognize the voice?
Yes. That's why I went. Hadn't you better start up this
There
door?
it is.
Get out of your hands.
Oh, yes. Oh. I'll be down in a minute, Leona. Go away now. I lay there looking up at the ceiling. Strange,
It's finished. I'll tell you what, this thing sounds like a tube radio. It's got a lot of sound.
worry. The weekend was over, and Gil and I hadn't raised the $2,500.
I ain't got the volume all the way up, and it's...
Stuck here in the Hudson Valley with our dude ranch.
You wouldn't know this is a solid state, I'm telling you. It's a really nice radio. I can't... It's like... It's 1960s, but it's not in my... what is it? A 1FM069. The closest thing I could find on it. Yeah, even Radio Museum doesn't show it. They say 1965, question mark, question mark, question mark. And... closest I could find one is a Magnavox 1FM069, and it has the same board in it as far as, well, kinda for this, but it's only got one speaker and it's got a clock on it. Then they got, so this is like 1960s, 65, 66, I don't know. But it's that my book. You look it up, and even I think Radio Museum said it had a wooden cabinet. No, it's plastic. Yet it's.
Hello. Mrs. Blaine? Yes? This is Mrs. Burroughs.
It sounds so powerful, like a tube radio. I'm really surprised. I'm not surprised. I've seen some. They're really. For a transistor radio. So, hope you liked it as far as, I mean, it's an easy repair, but it's not a restoration. And that's how I do things when it comes to solid state. So I hope you enjoyed it. And, thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time with another radio.